G'day. It's been a fair while since I did any work on my Triumph. Today I'm having a little bit of a play in the garage. It's hot, 38 degrees right now, and it's going to be 40 degrees soon. I've decided to set myself up over here in the shade. I've got the bumper bar off my Triumph, which I'm going to have a look at, seeing if I can get it looking a little bit better. Over here you can see somebody's had a crack at doing some kind of repair on it. I'm really not sure how this is going to come out. I'll get some wet and dry, and I'm just going to wet rub this and see if it'll be possible to paint this or not, or whether I'll have to try and buy a replacement skin, whatever this is. It feels like a rubbery sort of plasticky stuff. I don't know if I'm going to be able to rescue that or not, but I'm going to give it a try. Got a bucket of water there, and I've got some 220 grit and a sanding block. Alright, so here's the difference between sanded lightly, and there's little blemishes and stuff like that, which I guess if you were doing a restoration you probably want to get rid of. This is the unsanded side. So you can see it kind of come up nice and smooth and clean. I'm going to have a go at this, sand gently around this area here and see if I can figure out what's underneath. I imagine there might be some body filler or something like that. Okay, you can see some repair work has been done underneath there, and it's smoothed over pretty nicely. A bit more of a wet rub here, and that'll be virtually, you can't even feel it. But the question is, will I be able to paint this? Will it come up alright? So that's yet to be determined. I'm going to keep sanding and get this a bit nicer and smoother, and then see how I go from there. As I said before, it's 40 degrees and I'm hot. I think the only way I'm going to know how this bumper is going to react and respond to painting is if I just give it a go. I really haven't got much to lose there. If the paint can't stick to this at all, then I'm going to need to try and find some sort of replacement skin for the bumper bar. But the primer that's been put down there and the bog that's been put on there is very well attached and doesn't seem to want to go anywhere. I think my next step with this bumper bar is going to be to put some primer on it and see how it looks. That'll probably be in an upcoming video. Been a long time since I worked on my Triumph. I've done a small step forward again. So that's it for now. See you later.